Hey, how's it going? As you can see here, I got 3 boxes of 2005 Upper Deck Baseball Heroes. I've yet to open any of these. I love the original Baseball Heroes they did. I think it was like 90, 91, 92 maybe, where you can pull some awesome autos, which of course I never did as a kid. They were too hard to pull back then. But they eventually made these into its own line, which is cool. So I'm gonna check these out. I got 3 boxes, or tins, I should say. Go ahead and rip into them. Let's see what we got here. Trying a lot of older products, a lot of 2005s. Pretty cool, especially from Upper Deck. Like, that seemed to be an on year for them. I was not collecting at the time. I was retired and got back into it after, so now I'm going to try it. So it come in a little pack, like so. Love the tins. Tins are cool. Alright, go ahead and open this. I'm not sure where the relics or autos are. I never showed the back really quick. Let me just do that. Put that right there. You guys can freeze frame this. If you want to take a look, get in close. But there we go. Now I'm going to rip into it. So look for a signature or memorabilia card per box, per tin, numbered to 99 or less in each tin. So you get a signature or relic each pack here. Looks like this one's a little thicker in the back, so alright, I'll just go like this. It's cool. Brooks Robinson, Wade Boggs, here's the back. Behind that, it's a numbered card. Clemente, 395 to 575, the Heroes. Awesome card there. Got Roger Maris behind that, which is numbered. Just the back of the Clemente. 118 to 199. And I think that's the hit, so let's go to these 2 back here. Yeah. Looks like there's 2 cards in back. Ozzie Smith, Heroes. Al Kaline. And the hit. Oh, nope, there's a card before that too. Another Roger Maris. Numbered 118 to 1. Oh, that's probably the same one. It was covering the front, sorry. Here we go. Here's the hit. Carlos Stremski. That's cool. 68 of 99. Stremski relic there. That's neat. There's the back. Nice. It's cool. I'm gonna save Ted for last. He's got his own box. 1 box here. Open first. Box number 2. Top, we got Yogi Berra. This one looks like it has another thick card, so probably another memorabilia, I guess. Yep, another thickie. So I'm just going to pull these from the back here. Yep, these 3. Alright, Steve Carlton. Don Mattingly. Crushes 6 Grand Slam. 1987. Ozzie Smith Heroes. Another one. Yogi Berra. He was on top. Stan Musial. Stan the Man. Numbered Honus Wagner. It's 297 of 575. Another Honus Wagner. It's got a nice little sheen on that one for some reason. It's 150 to 199. And the hit is 3 of 15. Looks like kind of a rainbow. Will Clark relic. That's cool. Nice, just plain jersey piece. Not sure how many patches come out of this. Alright, that's box number 2. Let's go for the final box. Wish me luck on this last one. So far, nothing crazy. Up top, we got Alkaline Heroes. Here we go. And okay, it's not a super thick card as far as I can tell, so it might be an auto. Well, I might be wrong, who knows. A high chance I'm wrong, because I don't know what's really in this product a whole lot. But it'd be cool to hit an auto. Let's see, I think there's 3 cards, right? Yep. Put these up here. Alright, so we got Jim Palmer. Steve Carlton again. I don't know if it's a different card or not. Another Don Mattingly. Alkaline Heroes there. Another Don Mattingly, but a different card for sure this time. Here's a numbered Lou Gehrig. Number 74 of 575. 2 cards left. Stremski. 142 of 199. And the final hit. Tony Gwynn. Nice. 31 of 49. Awesome. Sweet card there. And it is on card. It looks like it's, you know, there's a little area for him to sign. It's not a sticker. It's definitely on card. That is awesome. Very happy with that to get a Tony Gwynn auto. Awesome. Cool. Thanks for watching this 3-box break of 2005 Upper Deck Baseball Heroes. Recap these really quick. The big hits. Tony Gwynn. Put this over here. And going through these really quick. Will Clark, 3 of 15. Doesn't want to focus, of course. Trying to wrap up the video. Screw you, video camera. And nice Carl Stremski. So there we go. Nice 3-box break. I'm happy with it. New product that I've been able to rip, even though it's 11 years old now. So that's cool. Happy I got a nice Tony Gwynn auto. Thanks for watching. Catch y'all later. Peace.